Welcome back to Food Review. Today we're joined by Martin, Michael, Christian, and Brian. Today we're going to be trying some pepperoni pizza. For me, I don't know what these guys got.
Pepperoni, you got pepperoni? I have one. I'm pepperoni.
Alright, you boys enjoy the bites.
When I realized going to my first bite, the crunch of the crust.
Yes, it's the first thing you get.
After the crunch of the crust, I'm getting a plethora of cheese and pepperoni battering into my taste buds, getting the perfect bite of pizza.
I didn't hit any pepperoni yet, so I'll keep
The
going.
cheese breaks apart and reveals the sauce underneath.
There's a wonderful cheese pull each time you take a bite.
Pepperoni perfectly done. I mean, can't go wrong. Perfectly done. Hello?
Ew, what the
What's up? We're all eating pizza right now.
shit?
Eating pizza.
Shit. Michael, what do you think?
Alright.
Tastes great. Crunch of the crust originally. It was great, and then the cheese just perfect combination.
The cheese melts it away. Another bite.
You see, while he's eating, every pizza has to have a certain ratio of bread to sauce to cheese to toppings. It is
Perfect
perfect.
ratio.
And the fact that they just keep pumping these pizzas out at the rate they do is impeccable.
I give it a 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10?
Alright,
10 out of 10.
say goodbye to your food channel.
On the official,
Pizza on the Harmony of the Seas. Make sure you visit.
very
Am I
good.
done?
We are.
Welcome back to Food Review, the show that we
What's up?
review food. Today we're joined by Brian to my left and Chris to my right. Don't knock the phone. So, what are we eating today, boys?
Well, I'm having some loaded fries and some nachos. They're very, very, very good.
I'm having a hot dog and some fries. And Brian, what have you eaten
I
already?
just got a straight up plate of nachos.
So, tell us how it is, because you've already started eating.
I mean, you walk over there and you look at that cheese, and it's all clumpy and disgusting. Then you put it on, and it's literally perfectly balanced,
Get on the frame.
smooth. I mean, the beef is spicy, but not too spicy. It's a perfect nacho.
I agree. It is perfect nacho. Also, these fries are fucking insane.
Welcome back to Food Review.
Hey, we got Martin with us now. Martin,
Get in
come
the
over here.
frame. So,
What are we reviewing today?
move on.
That shit looks good, I think.
So, to review the hot dog itself is very tender. It's a nice solid bite of the actual dog. And the bread has a nice crisp to it, but it's also very nice and fluffy once you get into it. On the official Food Review scale, I'm going to have to give this 12 cows out of 7 pigs.
It's tough one, see. For some reason, it tastes a little bit different this time. Like, I'm not really feeling it. But regardless, these nachos are still great.
Official Food Review scale, what is it?
Chris, I'm gonna give these an 8 out of 10. What about the guacamole?
I'm gonna try some guac real
Yeah,
quick.
you keep eating.
After those nachos, a little clean chip. Dip it in this guac. The guac's looking nice.
You gotta make sure the frame can see the chip.
I got you in a second. That's the guac on the chip right there.
How is that?
Amazing. That is absolutely amazing. All that one flavor with the guac is like jumps out at you. I'm a big avocado guy. I like avocados and it's perfect.
We're in
I love
Mexico.
it. We're in Mexico. Pretty much.
Avocados are from Mexico. You would only have the best.
Yep.
Would you like to rate it for us?
So right now, I'm down
Guacamole,
here.
I'd give it a 9. A 9.5. 9.5 for the guac.
I am
It is
down
very
here to my last nacho. And I gotta say, that is the best looking nacho I think I've ever seen. I mean, you got pieces of chips on top of it, you got cheese, you got meat. And I'm looking forward to this bite.
Oh yeah. This is gonna be a fun one to edit.
That's good. That is a good nacho. 10 out of 10.
Wow. Is that our first 10 out of 10 of the cruise? It is.
I think this place is amazing. Mini Bites on the Harmony of the Seas is one of the best places I could just go grab food. It's not too crowded.
Convenient, easy, welcoming,
And good.
and of course tasty to cap it all off. That's the most important part.
Really, can't go wrong with this place. Cannot go wrong.
So thank you for joining us on this installment of Cruise Food Review. If we have another episode of Cruise Food Review, yeah. If not, the episode ends here, I guess. Fuck it.
I'll see you.
Bye. Bye, Brian.
Bye.
Welcome back to Food Review, the show that we review food. Today, I have pancakes with bacon. This man's got some cereal.
And I already had breakfast this morning. I had a couple pancakes, hash browns, bacon, sausage. It was a great breakfast, so I definitely recommend the Windjammer for breakfast. It was great. Here we go to the reviews.
This man's gonna pour his cereal. In the meantime,
He's got waffles.
I'm gonna review this pancake. It's still very warm on the underside. We're food reviewing, so go get some
The
food.
boys.
Go get some ice cream if you try it.
First bite of the cereal here.
Oh my god. No.
So the pancake is very soft. Tastes like a cloud. It's like an egg, butter, flour, and whatever else goes into a pancake cloud.
What about sugar?
Yeah.
Milk.
Beck has the cereal.
Cereal, very good. Tastes like normal cereal. Although the milk, superior to any other milk I've ever had before. Definitely recommend the Windjammer.
The pancake just melts in your mouth.
Waffles are delicious. So good. Very good with the chocolate. 10 out of 10. Would recommend.
Let's try the bacon.
Can I have this bacon? Regular.
It's really fun. I think the bacon's overcooked. I think it's overcooked.
Well, one of my favorite foods that I would like to recommend is the hash brown. Hash brown is a golden brown cook. When you take your first bite, it's a nice crunch. Don't get the savory greatness. And here it is. Here's the hash brown that we were talking about. A golden brown outside. The crunch, savory or greatness. Inside is looking great. This is a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend this while you're eating your breakfast at the Windjammer.
So this piece of bacon is much less cooked. I think this one's undercooked. I think one of the problems in the Windjammer is that the bacon's either undercooked or overcooked. There's no
Definitely
perfect
agree.
bacon.
Definitely agree.
Very rare. When you do find it, it is just a treat. You guys want to do some food?
I mean, I'll eat the box.
Welcome back to Food Review. Welcome back to Food Review, the show in which we review some food. Today we're joined by Michael and Ava. So welcome to Food Review. We're having breakfast again.
Will you open this?
I'll start it
Oh, yeah.
while they're struggling.
And I didn't
We have some yogurt here, some strawberry yogurt. Before we take a taste to see the texture,
Wait, you do the milk.
it's a little chunky,
No, I just opened it.
but delicious. Highly recommend. Yeah,
Good yogurt? Upgraded. Got
amazing yogurt. 11.6 out of 10.
Oh.
Very good.
So I'm not going to do this.
He really hits all the taste buds in your mouth, and just the flavor just spreads throughout your mouth and down your throat. Very good.
I tried.
Sophia's now gonna try this
For
food.
my second breakfast, I have a carton of milk. Let's
I need
dive
this
right
one.
into it.
Let me look at it.
Get more.
It's
Get her.
refreshing,
Yes, so get me a spoon.
milky, and it's refreshing.
It's very
Does it taste similar to breast milk?
Nah, this one's not as tangy.
Martin, what are your thoughts?
I have whole milk here, and I taste a lot of
You got
the
the
fat.
milk.
It's very
What's
very
wrong with whole milk?
tasting. It tastes very red and blue and white and
Patriotic.
Orange.
5 points.
Me? Got a frosted flakes with whole milk, but I'm waiting for fork. A spoon. No, I don't want that.
Who eats a fork and broth?
I meant a
Food
spoon.
Review intermission.
Just spilled
Yeah,
milk
Eli,
on
tell me a joke while we're waiting.
We have a FaceTime. You can join food review from his breakfast. You want to join food review?
Yo, what's up?
Welcome back to Food
Wait, what are we
Review.
reviewing?
Oh shit. Reviewing some yogurt.
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 In my mind, the yogurt is amazing. It's, I mean, now it's like, I don't want to say it for,
Flavorful.
All right, we're behind the teen club, so come there.
I did. Did she take her seat
Review
still?
your food.
What?
No,
What
she was
seat
not. Review your food. I don't want
More yogurt.
Yeah, it's my yogurt.
What's the difference between the white yogurt and
What do you think of the yogurt?
Very good. Oh, I can do my thing now.
You guys can join us later for Beat Sophia
Wait,
hour
yeah,
later.
Wait here.
This should be like my frosted flakes with whole milk.
I'll be there for maybe like 10 minutes.
Delicious. Milk, very creamy, not tangy. Frosted flakes, a little moist. Pretty good.
They have been sitting in the
They've
milk
been
while
marinating
she was
for a
getting a
bit.
spoon.
16 out of 10.
16 out of 10.
My milk was probably a fat-free milk out of whole milk.
Okay.
my whole milk was probably 5.
We didn't ask. All right. Well, that should
eat my fucking.
that should be it for food review.
Thank you for joining us on this episode of Food Review, the show that we review food. Join us next time, please. I need ads.